So to create transparent backgrounds in Adobe Photoshop, there are so many different ways to do this. The classic way to do this, if you've got something like some text on a white background or a logo, first thing we need to do is unlock the background layer. You need to do that in the layer panel. Just click on the little lock symbol, and that'll allow us to be able to get rid of any of the white or any of the coloured areas. Classic way to do it, use the magic wand and select your background, and then use the shift key to select any other like white areas. Once we've got all the white areas to get rid of, click delete, and there you have your background now transparent. I'm just going to undo that. The other way you could do it is just select the text itself, select the different colours of the text, pressing shift, and again press backspace or delete to get rid of that. Now you've got the text which is now transparent instead of the background. Another way to do it, you could use select color range. So let's say we want to select the white again, go to select color range, and then use a color picker to select the background. You could do it again with the text. So you could select the text or the background. So select the background, click OK. Now the white is now selected. Press delete and it gets rid of it. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways to do that. To save that out, you could save it as a PNG file, or you could save it as a PSD file as well. So if you're saving for web, you want to save that as a PNG file. So you go to File, Export Save for Web Legacy, and then within here, if you go to PNG 24, you'll be able to save that as a transparent background. So just save that out on your desktop or wherever you want to save it, and then you're all sorted. Okay, the next thing what you could do, if you want to select a subject, fairly simple, go to Select and go to Subject, and it'll actually select the subject. To get rid of the background, go to Select and then Inverse, and now you've got the background which is selected as well. Again, we need to unlock the background for this to work, so unlock the background and then select Delete, and there I am without a background. There's some more complicated ways to do it. If you wanted to select something which has got lots of different colours on there, you could select the colour range, but it doesn't always work. So if you want to select this pink flamingo, it's going to struggle a little bit. You could try to select the sky. Sometimes that does work. So select sky. But what I found with this image, you've got a little bit missing. So to rectify that, if you go to the Wand tool and go to Quick Selection tool, and then I'm just going to select the sky by just dragging, and now I've got nice sky selected. Again, if you wanted to get rid of the background, click on the lock icon and then select delete, and there's your background deleted. Or if you just wanted to select the flamingo and do some crazy bit of artwork, you could select the flamingo, just click on it and drag all the way around the flamingo, and then you could copy that into a new document. You can also select that layer there, copy and paste that into there, and then I've got me inside a nice flamingo going for a ride. So that's how to get rid of backgrounds in Adobe Photoshop and all the different ways you can do that. Thanks for watching the video. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you in another video.